I have an early morning unboxing from my favorite place in the world, which is my personal oasis. It's just my yard, my deck. I love it. It's my favorite place in the world. Anyway, so what do I have today? I have an unboxing, well, not an unboxing, I unboxed it already, but it's a Secret Candle Co. And it's on Etsy. Again, it's a Secret Candle Co. That's the full name on Etsy. And I just wanted to try something new. So I did. I'll say that the package got here super quickly. And I love, love, love everything in here. First of all, this rose jam. This is, oh my gosh, it smells so good. She put a lot of tape on it. All right, so it's beautiful and sparkly and so freaking fragrant. When I opened up the tub, it was just like, in my nose. I love it. It's amazing. And it's just, it's a little tub of roses and hearts. And it was $4.50. But it's like got so many in there. So very pleased with this one. I'll let you know about the throw at a different time. Next, we have these pink velvet sugar musk melts. And she just poured these, looks like. And so she wants me to wait 2 weeks before I use these. And I will. And I will say I love the way she's packaged the stuff. Everything that I have came double packaged except for this one. So we have it small packages. This one's packaged, that one's packaged, and then it's a big package, and they're all zip locked, which I love. All right, so that's the pink sugar cubes, and they were $1.50 for each package. So I get 2 cubes for $1.50, which is excellent. And then we have this. It's really cute. Aqua de Joe, and I think that I thought it was a different scent because when I smelled it, I'm like, oh, wait a minute, that's not what I expected. Yeah, it smells nice, but it's not what I expected in my own mind, so I probably thought it was something else. But look how big it is. Again, $1.50 for this. Look at that, $1.50. Awesome, and it's so pretty. Then I got a little sample package, and this is a very, very ample sample. So again, with the double packaging, which is awesome. I got the Bombshell, half an ounce of Bombshell melts, very pretty. And then I got this Rose Vanilla Noel sample as well, which I think is like so freaking generous. So generous, because I don't see like this amount of free samples in a lot of shipments. I mean, they're big, and yeah, I like them. All right, so I got 1 ounce of free samples because they're both half ounce each. And then we got the pink sugar, which was $1.50 each. We got the, I don't even know if I'm saying it right, Aqua de Joe. And this was $1.50. And then my favorite, Rose Jam. And it's packed full of glittery goodness, roses and hearts. And it smells awesome. Which is great because I just ran out of Rose Jam the day before yesterday. So I will be using these today. And I just love the glitter on there too. Pretty cute. All right, guys, that's it. Oh, of course, this one was again $4.50. So that was It's a Secret Candle Co. on Etsy. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one.